better late than never for Meralco. The Bolts are on a roll in the 2018 PBA Governors Cup after beating Rain or Shine Sunday, 91-82, at the Big Dome. After stumbling to 6 straight defeats, the Bolts have now won 3 straight to improve to 4-6 for the season-ending joust, knocking on the door of the top 8 and a possible playoff berth. With 3 playoff spots remaining, Meralco is currently trailing San Miguel, 4-4, NLEX, 4-5, and TNT, 4-5. Starting with the last quarter of the NLEX game, going into the Magnolia game, and even tonight, our defense was really solid. Everybody was operating as a team, rotating and closing out. We made some mistakes but overall, defense was pretty good, head coach Norman Black said. On the other end, we had good balanced scoring with a lot of guys contributing. Durham didn't have to dominate the game offensively because other guys stepped up, he added. 6 players finished in double figures for Meralco, led by 19 points from import Alan Durham. Mike Talomia came off the bench and paced the local crew with 17, while Cliff Hodge was good for 14 points. It was a close game throughout with the score tied at 65 after 3 quarters. However, an 8-0 run in the fourth put the Bolts up 82-74, and they never looked back. Meralco eventually led by as many as 13 late, 90-77, to put the game away. For Rain or Shine, the team is facing elimination with a 2-6 record. Norbert Torres was the high man for the Elasto Painters with 16 points. The scores: Meralco 91, Durham 19, Talomia 17, Hodge 14, Newsom 12, Karam 11, Hugnaton 10, Salva 4, Amert 2, Jamido 2, Ballesteros 0. Rain or Shine 82, Torres 16, Watson 14, Nambatak 13, Dakwio 10, Ponferrada 7, Ahan Missy 7, Yap 7, Norwood 6, Borbrand 2.